A very classic design there. This is the Kangaroo Mob of 30 Anniversary Edition. A 1 ounce gold proof coin, 4.9 pure gold, and the mintage is only 1,000 pieces. Just this simple design of a kangaroo jumping across the coin. It is iconic, it's classic, and it's everything that's good about the Royal Australian Mint holding up this tradition. Of course, we have the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II there. On the coin itself, of course, we can see $100, 1 ounce, 4.9 gold, and there we have the words, the 30th anniversary. Now, it does have a small C mint mark there, and that is, of course, for the Royal Australian Mint, which is based in Canberra. Once again, it's only a mintage of 1,000 pieces, and this is, of course, available on our website, which is www.emk.com.